What if a few powerful tools could upgrade how you work and create? Today we're checking out 20 tools to make life faster and smarter. Let's dive in. T10 Jump Starter. The Fantic Potent T10 is a compact jump starter that can start most cars and also works as a power bank with a built-in display and basic emergency features. VARIO Work Gloves. VARIO Work Gloves offer reliable protection with high tear and abrasion resistance, a secure nitrile-coated grip, touchscreen compatibility, and cooling Thermatec fibers, making them comfortable for extended use in both home and professional tasks. Reciprocating Saw. The cordless reciprocating saw delivers a strong grip and smooth cutting performance, offering versatile and efficient cutting across various materials with the convenience and flexibility of cordless operation. DistanceMaster. The DistanceMaster is a laser rangefinder with a 50-meter range for measuring distances, areas, and volumes. It features continuous measurement, stores up to 50 readings, and allows easy data transfer to mobile devices, all in a housing made largely from recycled plastic. Two-in-one hand truck. The two-in-one hand truck features an expandable base, adjustable handle, and smooth wheels for easy movement, with a durable steel build that converts between a two-wheel dolly and a four-wheel platform and folds for easy storage. Vacuum Pump VP05. The VP05 vacuum pump allows you to securely mount a drill rig without anchor fixings, making it ideal for smooth surfaces like concrete or natural stone, where permanent installation isn't possible or allowed. Zero-turn riding mower. The Ryobi ZR 380-volt zero-turn riding mower delivers gas-like power, cuts up to 2 acres per charge, and features a 42-inch deck, towing capability, and an app-connected display, without gas maintenance. One-handed grease gun. The one-handed grease gun enables quick and clean cartridge replacement, features a durable die-cast zinc head for long-lasting use, and allows fast air release with a simple half-turn of the hose, making it efficient and easy to handle. Drilling machine. The drilling machine paired with the EBW1300 drill rig delivers powerful, precise performance for demanding tasks like chimney connections, offering reliable, clean, and robust operation. Power Strip Pro. The Power Strip Pro features magnetic mounting, a slim design with 5 120-volt outputs and USB ports, a built-in LED work light with multiple modes, and surge protection for a safe and organized workspace. 45-degree edge diamond grinding wheel. The 45-degree edge diamond grinding wheel is designed for precise beveling and edge shaping, offering durable, diamond-coated performance for smooth, accurate grinding on hard materials. Click Torque Wrench. The Milwaukee Click Torque Wrench offers precise torque control with easy adjustment and clear, durable markings. It provides a strong, audible click and breakaway feel at the set torque, features a 4-degree arc swing for tight spaces, and delivers reliable plus or minus 3% accuracy with a secure, all-metal grip. Handheld Vacuum. The M18 Handheld Vacuum delivers strong suction with a brushless motor, features an ergonomic design, LED nozzle light, and easy debris disposal, making it efficient for quick job site cleanup. ERGONIC K. The ERGONIC K features a patented ergonomic handle, a high-performance ratchet with a 180-degree pivoting mechanism, and a 1/4-inch quick-release bit holder. Its 60-tooth ratchet allows faster work, while handling high torque loads over 50 Newton meters. Circular saw. The Handheld cordless circular saw is compact and lightweight, with adjustable cutting depth and angle, LED visibility, and clean, precise cutting performance. KUKKO Puller. The KUKKO Puller is a versatile, self-centering tool for internal and external use, featuring a secure grip with pre-tensioning and quick adjustment, ideal for safely and efficiently removing bearings, gears, and tightly fitted parts. Random Orbit Sander. The cordless Random Orbit Sander delivers smooth, high-quality finishes with its random orbit motion and cordless freedom. It features an LED light ring for better visibility, a comfortable low-profile design, and a 4.0 ampere-hour battery for efficient sanding with less rework. HAZET Cordless Drill. The HAZET Cordless Drill is a compact 18-volt tool with a brushless motor, delivering strong performance with adjustable torque settings, 2-speed control, LED light, and an ergonomic design for efficient drilling and fastening. Cordless Screwdriver. The cordless screwdriver features a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and a brushless motor, delivering up to 230 Newton meters of torque for powerful performance. It is lightweight with an ergonomic grip, offers high-speed operation, and includes an LED work light for use in tight or dark spaces. ARC Welding Inverter. The ARC Welding Inverter uses IGBT technology for efficient performance, deeper penetration, and stable welding with easy arc ignition. It features multiple safety protections, a digital display for accuracy, and a professional cooling system for reliable continuous use. That's it for 20 amazing tools worth trying. If you found something useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.